Hi dear, how are you? Today I also want to give you information about YouTube channel, how we can make a successful YouTube channel in 2024. If you want to start vlogging in 2024 or also want to share your knowledge with your audience, so this it is a small video for you. Please select your niche and also find and target the your audience. In this way, you can make a good YouTube channel and you can become a successful content maker in the society. Okay, so first of all, the main thing for YouTube channel is the niche and start try to find your niche and then make YouTube channel and there share your knowledge with everyone. Inshallah, we will try in the next video and we will share with you the most important information about the YouTube channel, how we can avoid the mistakes for making the YouTube channel in the next video. Okay, that